Hey guys, it's Dasha. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to take you guys along with me and share a full day of Russian cuisine. Of course, we're going to start off with breakfast, and today I'm going to make sirnechki, which are a Russian cottage cheese type of pancake. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's made out of cottage cheese and it's very delicious. So if you guys are interested, please continue watching. Also, before anything, I have changed up a lot of these recipes to suit my diet, my lifestyle. So they aren't exactly how they would make them in Russia, but the concept is the same. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by breaking apart my block of cottage cheese, which is 500 grams. And then I'm gonna add 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and roughly 1 cup of gluten-free flour. Then I'm gonna mix everything together. Now this is optional, but I add half a cup of raisins and half a cup of walnuts, and then I mix everything again. Now usually this recipe is made into small little ovals and pan fried, but I like to make mine in the oven, so I put mine into muffin tins instead. Once that's ready, you're gonna bake it at 350 for roughly 20 to 30 minutes or until they golden. Okay, so for lunchtime, I'm gonna have pachuba salad, which is quite a funky salad. It could be quite intimidating too, so yes, that's all. I'm just kidding. Okay, so for lunchtime, I'm gonna have pachuba salad, which is a interesting salad. Don't let its appearance fool you. It is very delicious. So the literal translation of the salad is under the fur jacket, and you guys are gonna soon find out why. So I'm gonna start off by placing my smoked salmon at the bottom of my dish. Now usually this recipe calls for herring, however I'm not a fan, therefore I use smoked salmon instead. Once that's done, you're gonna add sweet onions on top, potatoes, onions again, and then mayo. Now I like to add my own mayo to make it healthier. Here is a small clip of how I make my mayo. Now you're going to spread the mayo on top of the whole salad and then cover it with cooked carrots, more mayo, boiled eggs, more mayo, and cooked beets. And finally, of course, more mayo. For decor, I like to shred some egg yolks and cover it on top. Now that has to sit in the fridge for a couple of hours and then it's ready to eat. Okay, so it is now dinner time, and for dinner I'm gonna make olivier salat and blinchiki z miasem, which are crepes stuffed with meat. To make the olivier salat, you will need cooked potatoes, cooked carrots, boiled eggs, cucumbers, pickles, onions, Himalayan salt, and of course your homemade mayo. Then I add green peas as well as some dill. Okay, so usually these crepes are made with regular flour, but since I'm gluten-free, I'm just going to switch it to gluten-free flour. So I'm going to start off with 2 eggs. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of gluten-free flour. Don't know if I have enough. We're just going to have to eyeball it. Hopefully that's enough. It doesn't look like enough. We're going to also add 3/4 cup of plant-based milk. I'm using almond milk, but you can use any type of milk. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of monk sugar, and then I'm just going to mix everything together. And finally, I'm going to add a dash of grapeseed oil. Okay, so I tried to make the crepe, and that was the result. So I'm gonna have to throw in some rice flour and hope for the best. Luckily, the crepes worked, and I stuffed them with ground chicken, boiled eggs, and sauteed onions. Okay guys, so that wraps up my full day of eating Russian food. If you liked this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.